Citizens Bank Loan Comparison Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Citizens Bank and other recommended loan tools are in the description. Citizens Bank offers personal loans, student loan refinancing, and home equity loans, catering to borrowers with good to excellent credit. Personal loan amounts range from $5,000 to $50,000, with repayment terms between 3 and 7 years. One of Citizens Bank's key advantages is that it allows joint applications, which can help borrowers qualify for better rates. The bank also provides a loyalty discount for existing customers and an autopay discount, reducing overall borrowing costs. The online application process is straightforward, with pre-qualification available to check rates without impacting credit scores. Once approved, funds are typically dispersed within a few business days. One of the biggest strengths of Citizens Bank is its flexibility. Borrowers can use personal loans for debt consolidation, home improvements, medical expenses, or other major purchases. The availability of joint applications is a major advantage for those who may not qualify on their own. Additionally, the bank does not charge origination fees or prepayment penalties, keeping costs low. However, there are some downsides. Citizens Bank requires a minimum credit score of around 680, making it less accessible for those with fair or poor credit. The lender also does not offer same-day funding, so it's not the fastest option for those who need immediate cash. Another drawback is that Citizens Bank's personal loans are not available in all states, which may limit accessibility depending on location. Citizens Bank is best suited for borrowers with good credit who want a no-fee personal loan with competitive rates and the option for joint applications. It's an excellent choice for those who are already Citizens Bank customers, as they can take advantage of loyalty discounts. However, borrowers with lower credit scores or those who need fast funding may need to explore other lenders. Overall, Citizens Bank provides a solid personal loan option with flexible terms and customer-friendly policies. If you're considering Citizens Bank, check out the links in the description for more details.